Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this is a Volkswagen T2 camper here in the Matchbox Superfast edition. The model was introduced by Leslie England in 1970 and lasted until 1974. The play value of this model consists of the plastic roof, which could be tilted open to reveal a pretty detailed camper interior with a table and a sink. Strangely, this model was never issued with a tow hook, although that would have been a nice asset for a camper. It was first issued in light blue, and in the last year it was painted orange to match the color of the roof and received a white interior. The model was based on the first generation T2 bus, which was introduced in 1967 and lived on to become one of the most iconic vans ever built. It came in a huge variety of configurations, ranging from vans and minibuses to pickup trucks and campers, all in a basic selection of 60s colors including Niagara blue and elm green. The model on the turntable is a very common blue version. It's pretty beat up as far as the paint goes and is missing its window piece and of course the orange plastic roof. My plan is to give this model a new color, some nice detailing and accurate new wheels. So let's get out the tools and give this model a makeover. This Matchbox Superfast T2 camper bus was very playworn. The paint was chipped and the mall was missing its roof and window piece. I decided to give this mall a new color and some extra detailing. And here's the camper bus sporting its new grass green paint job. The yellow interior was cleaned, and since it fits the green nicely, I decided not to paint it. The mall received a new camper roof and a new window piece, and to top it all off I gave it a set of Volkswagen bus wheels from the Greenlight V-Dub pack. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.